how to create QQ account. So if you want to create QQ account, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, make sure that you install the QQ application. Now, after installing, you need to just simply go with agree, which will be on the right side, allow the notifications. Now on the bottom is you can see that you will have two options. The first option lets you create a new account, and the second option is for people who already have an account. So you can just simply go with login, which will be on the second option. So if you want to create an account, you need to go with the first one, which is right here. So tap on the first one and it will ask you to enter your mobile number. So first you need to just simply go with your country code, go with the drop down, enter the country code. After that, enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, you need to go with continue, which will be right here on the blue button. Tap on it, make sure that you've clicked it here, and then go with continue and continue. After continuing, it will take you to the next step. On the next step, you need to agree to the terms and conditions, and after agreeing, you need to go with authorize or verify your account, like your phone number that you've just entered. It will receive a code. You need to enter that code, and once your phone number has been verified, it will ask you for your name, set your password, and your account will be created. That's how you can create your QQ account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.